Hey everyone, Mike here. In this video, we're going to be putting a brand new power-coated cradle underneath the 671 Detroit engine. Watch Mike, Steve, and Joe struggle around with it. Enjoy this. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, and enjoy this video. Steve, film the first time the grill was being used.
What?
Film the first time the shop broke, Max.
It's going, Michael. Calm yourself.
Kick that board and have to balance it somehow. Please go that way. Is it filming?
Yeah. Gotta lift your edge up. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. We need concrete out here.
We need to put those.
You're gonna have to go that way with it.
We need a bus, that's all we need.
We need to get
Oh, it ain't high enough.
Oh no, it's not gonna work. You could bring it to the front and tip it down. And then
It's gonna shit off of that thing. You might get it in there.
stretching the pan, boys.
There's enough inch in there. You want that angle in it or not?
No.
Well, now you want to change your mind.
Well, we gotta get. The problem is,
There's no problem. It'll find its own way in the hole. All we gotta do is
well,
pick.
see, it's resting on this.
I don't care. We can pick it up. We can pick the crate
we
up.
gotta make sure that this dolly is not in the way of tightening up the motor mounts bolts.
You want to tighten them up?
The only ones we want to put in is the front ones, I think, ain't it?
Okay, let's just
Because we
say.
could wiggle the back around a little bit to make that work.
Then you can lift it up again. When you
So
get to it.
yeah, the starter, all that shit's gonna be okay. Yippee-ki-yay, you motherfucker.
Bruce Willis.
Oh. Where's Stevie at?
Right here.
Okay, go down.
He's captain.
What do you want from me?
Hold it, go up, you're going too
I
far
mean,
down.
go up. What the hell is this go up? I was had it all under control till you said stop.